from class 60. Today I am going to explain about the moon. This is the moon cake. These black ones are craters. Craters was formed when an comet collided with moon's surface. The moon is Earth's only permanent natural satellite. It is the fifth largest natural satellite in the solar system and the largest among the planetary satellites relative to the size of the planet than its orbit. The moon always shows Earth the same scale. The moon's surface is actually dark. The moon is about 3,84,400 km far from the planet Earth. Moon. So, I made a cake like moon. And I'm gonna explain about the moon. The moon is the one and only satellite for Earth. And it takes 27 days, 3 hours for revolve around the Earth. So, the Earth, compared to the Earth, the moon is a million times smaller. Compared to the sun, the moon is billion and million times smaller. So, if we compare the moon to other moons in the
moon is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system. The moon is the Earth's only permanent natural satellite. The moon is the second densest satellite. The moon always shows Earth the same face. The moon's surface is actually dark. The sun and the moon are not the same size. The moon's surface is covered with thousands of craters. Thank you.
Moon cake. So this is the moon cake I made with maida flour, choco powder and chocos. So this is the craters. Now I'll throw the craters. See how it will come. See. I'll remove the seed.
This is my moon cake. So, to make this moon cake, first I have made a vanilla cake. And I made the vanilla cake using a cake mix and then kept it in the oven so that it would cook thoroughly for 30 to 35 minutes. And after it was ready, I covered it with white cream and then added sprinkles on it. And that is how I made my vanilla moon.
How these craters are formed on the moon? Do we find such craters on Earth? This is because unlike the Earth, the moon has no atmosphere to protect itself from impacting bodies. We can't see these craters on Earth because of Earth's weathering condition and soil erosion. Thank you.
The moon is Earth's only natural satellite, at about 1/4 the diameter of Earth, comparable to the width of Australia. It is the largest natural satellite in the solar system relative to the size of its planet. The fifth largest satellite in the solar system overall and is larger than any dwarf planet, orbiting Earth at an average distance of 384,400 kilometers or about 30 times Earth's diameter.
This is moon cake and moon has lots of craters on it and it has lots of and its surface is rough and its shape is circular. Now I'm going to tell about Earth. Earth also has lots of craters, but it's covered with weathering and
Children's fairy tales tell us the moon is made up of cheese, but like all bodies in the solar system, rock is more realistic ingredient. The moon's surface is covered with dead volcanoes, impact craters and lava flows, some visible to the unaided stargazer. Early scientists thought that dark stretches of the moon might be oceans and so named such features made, which is for seas. They are oceans of the
moon crater. And this is my moon crater. We know that the surface of the moon is not smooth because of the craters. Craters on the moon are caused by asteroids and meteorites.
colliding with the lunar surface. Earth also has few craters. Why does the moon have so many craters while the Earth has so few? On the Earth, impact craters are harder to recognize.
I and my mother baked a cake. We took the inspiration of moon. My mother baked it with maida, sugar, eggs and milk. I decorated it with white cream and chocolate chip.
A crater is a bowl-shaped depression or hollowed out area produced by the impact of meteorite, volcanic activity or an explosion. Craters produced by the collision of a meteorite with the Earth or another planet or moon are called impact craters. The Earth's moon has many craters. Thank you.
Sugar, baking soda, baking powder, eggs, vanilla essence, maida. We should beat the eggs first and add the all ingredients we have. Next we should transfer into a cake tray. Then we should keep in oven for 20.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sakhi Daja. I am from 16. Today I made an activity, make a moon crater cake from my social holiday movie. Now I am going to explain it. We know that the surface of the moon is not smooth because of the craters. How are these craters formed on its surface? These craters were formed by the asteroids which are coming to hit the Earth, but they hit the moon. Thus, the craters were formed on its surface. How do we have such craters on Earth's surface? Why can't we see them on Earth's surface? No, we do not have